A mobile app user with the Messages module can receive and answer messages using the variant NowForce Mobile application. This video describes how to use the Messages module in the mobile app. When a new message arrives, you receive a pop-up notification with a sound alert, whether the app is in the foreground or background. The app main screen lists all the new and unapproved messages. You can access each message by tapping it. To access the Messages screen, tap the Messages button on the main app screen. The small red number that appears over the envelope icon indicates the number of unapproved messages in your inbox. You can also access the Messages screen through the app menu. Tap the three-line icon, and then tap the Messages button. The Messages screen lists your messages under the Received tab. Relevant information about each message appears next to the message subject. Messages that you have already confirmed or answered show a blue arrow and the timestamp of your reply. Each message shows how much time has passed since the message arrived. Relevant icons show if the message contains an attachment or was sent as a high-priority message. To open an attachment, first tap the message and then tap the attachment icon. To search for messages, tap the search icon and then tap the keyword you are looking for. You can also filter your messages by type. Select the type of messages you want to see. A simple message is an information-only message. Confirm you received the message by tapping OK. An open question message allows you to respond. Type your reply and then tap Send. For a multiple-choice question, choose one of the options and then tap Send. The message sender can also request your current location. You can choose to share your location or not by selecting or clearing the Share Current Location checkbox. You can delete or pin a message by tapping the three-dot icon in the message screen and choosing the relevant option. The pinned message is indicated by the pin icon. This video described how to use the Messages module in the mobile app. Thank you for watching.